So in this lesson we are going to do lime curd, and I am going to set the lime curd in rings. So we are just going to use the lime curd as insert jelly as well. So the setting agent that I am going to use here is pectin, and I have the egg, butter, sugar and lime zest and then lime juice as well. So I am going to beat the butter and sugar in a bowl. So I have a bigger bowl here. The butter is quite soft, so I am just going to add the sugar in it. I am just going to beat until this becomes creamy and pale. So once we have the butter and the sugar creamed well, and into that I am going to add the eggs one by one. Just going to scrape the sides down. To that I am going to add the second egg and then beat it again for say about a minute. To this I am going to add the lime zest and then the lime juice as well, and beat everything together. This I am going to transfer it into the saucepan. The curdle texture will just disappear and then everything will come together. I am just going to cook this until everything becomes thick. I'm just going to add the pectin. It's starting to thicken up now. It's getting thicker. Once it cools down, it will be furthermore thicker than this. Okay, so this I'm just going to pour it into cake rings. So I'm going to use this insert in 6-inch layered cake. So I want the jelly insert to be 1 inch smaller than that. So I'm going to use 5-inch cake rings, 2 of them, and the thickness of how much of the height of the insert I want is up to me. So I'm going to use this to set in the jelly ring, and The rest of the lime curd, I'm just going to save this to flavor the mousse that I'll be using it on the cake. So I'm just going to get a tray, and then I have 2 of these rings. These are the 5-inch rings. So we want the base to be sealed, right? So I'm just going to use the cling wrap. Just going to turn it upside down. So we have the rings ready. So once they are set, we could just remove the cling wrap to get the jelly out. So I'm just going to mix it up and then just pour. Okay, so this is the lime curd that I have, which I'm just going to transfer it into another bowl and then surface cling wrap it and then keep it in the refrigerator to use it for later, where we have to flavor the mousse or infuse the lime curds flavor, which is the lime's flavor itself, into the mousse that we will be doing on later lessons. Now this insert jelly has to go into the freezer to set for 24 hours at least. So we have the jellies set properly before we are able to take that and then use them in the layered cake. So I'll catch you up on the next lesson.